Today I want to create an AM Monogram logo like this on Canva Android. Let's get started. CANVOO, if I usually create a logo using basic elements. This time I want to create a logo using letters. First step, go to the text menu, then create the letter A. Next, create the letter M by duplicating the letter A. Why not write the letters A, M in sequence? This is so that we can more easily modify the two letters into a logo later, okay? Now, let's enlarge the screen. Next, enlarge the font size. And change the font type to Hussar Bold. If so, we can first slide the A font here and drag the letter M to the center. We will modify the letter M first. Now, go to the Elements menu, then look for the parallelogram shape, choose this one, then place it to the left of the letter M. We adjust the height size so that it exceeds the height size of the letter M. Then rotate the position so that it is symmetrical with the slope of the center of the letter M. To make it easier to measure the slope, we can first change the color of the parallelogram to red. Then adjust the position and slope again so that it is completely symmetrical. Make sure to cut the left leg of the letter M precisely. When it's right, change the color of the parallelogram to white. Okay, we can select the modified element, then choose Group. We can move it to the right. Now, we can move the letter A to the center. Place it to the left of the letter M. Next, click on the letter M and move its layer to the back. Now, we will see the shape of the letters A and M that are more unique than before. Next, we move the letter A to the right so that it is not too far away from the M. Make sure to keep these two elements top aligned and bottom aligned. Now, we're going to modify the letter A a bit. We go to the element, grab the triangle shape. We can change the color to white. We can raise the layer so that it appears to the front. Then we can adjust the size so that it can cover the center line of the letter A. What you have to make sure every time you create a logo is precision. Make sure the white triangle we place is precise when closing the letter A. If it's right, don't forget to group it. Okay, if you only need an AM Monogram logo, this is enough. But if you want to add certain icons, we continue the tutorial. We can take the parallelogram shape again on the element. Then first change the color to red for contrast, so that it is easy when adjusting its position. Place it on the left of the letter A. You can tilt it so that it is symmetrical with the tilt of the letter A. Reduce its width. And then change the color to white. We use this as a border with the icon that we want to add later. Okay, now you are actually free to add any icon according to your channel or brand. Here I want to add a camera icon to the logo as an example. Choose an icon that is appropriate and of course fits together with the monogram logo. For example, I use this icon. We can place it to the left of the letter A. If we slide this camera icon to the right, it will automatically be cut off by the parallelogram element that we have created before. We make sure the top and bottom are symmetrical. If there is still something that doesn't fit, like this, then we can ungroup it first. We fix the ones that are not precise. If it's okay, then we can group all the elements. And this is the final result, an AM logo that you can easily create for free on Canva using Android. If you want to make it into a vector, check out this video of mine. For those of you who have questions and want to request a logo tutorial, please leave a comment below. For those of you who have requested but the video hasn't aired yet, please be patient. Like this video if you think it's useful and share it with your friends who are in need. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.